Let him go. I'm serious. Let him leave. Let him lose the best thing that ever happened to him. Don't chase him. Don't text him. Don't explain yourself again. You've done enough of that. It is not your job to beg a man to love you. If he can't see what you bring to the table without you pointing it out, let him go be blind somewhere else. And I know you're hurting right now. You're sitting there thinking, what did I do wrong? Nothing. You did nothing wrong. You were enough. You are enough. He just wasn't strong enough to handle you. So let him go. Let him find someone easier. That's his loss. And one day, it's gonna hit him. He's gonna realize the woman he walked away from is the woman he compares everyone else to, and no one will come close. But by then, you're gone. You've moved on. You're living your life. So when he finally figures it out, you don't even care anymore. So wipe your tears. You are done crying over someone who doesn't deserve them. Get up, because how else are you going to become the woman he regrets losing for the rest of his life? And if you're done wasting time on men who aren't more for you, but first, choose yourself.